Okay. Exercise 2.6. Quadratic equation. We are continuing. Word problems. Okay. Many students find this difficult, but actually word problems are very easy, not very difficult. Okay. See. First sum. Understand properly. Just frame properly, and your answer will be correct. Practice more and more sums. Different many books are available. Even I will be taking more lectures for more practice. Okay. So but first understand the concept, understand the language. Product means multiplication. Pragati's age 2 years ago, 2 years back, and 3 years hence, 3 years next is 84. Product is 84. Okay. Find her present age. So whatever you have to find, let it be x. Let Pragati's age, present age be x. Okay. So 2 years ago it was x minus 2, and 3 years hence it is x plus 3. This product x minus 2, 2 years ago, 3 years hence is 84. Right? Multiply, expand, bracket to bracket multiplication. X square plus 3x minus 2x plus x minus 6 minus 84. So x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. This is a perfect quadratic. Minus 90 factors. You want product minus 90, sum plus 1. So 10 and minus 9. Okay. So x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 9. But age, can age be negative? Negative age means she will born after 10 years. Okay. So this is invalid. Age cannot be negative. So x equal to 9 is the answer. 9 years. Proper write in proper statement. Pragati's present age equal to 9 years. Understanding? Simple. Any doubt? You write. Should we go ahead? Okay. See. Second sum. Okay. See. The sum of squares of two consecutive even number is 244. Okay. Two consecutive even numbers, and the sum of their squares condition is like this. Okay. I am just explaining you the sum. You have to solve it. Okay. Unless you do, how can you go ahead? See. Two consecutive even numbers. What is the difference between even numbers? 2, right? Even difference between odd, consecutive odd number is also 2. So let the numbers be x and x plus 2. We don't know the numbers. We have to find out those numbers. Right? If one number is 20, next number is 22. 2 is the difference. Condition sum of squares x square plus sum x plus 2 square equal to 244. Now we have to solve this. Okay, I am just helping you. X square, x plus 2 square, expand by identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And now directly. Make it proper quadratic. X square plus x minus plus minus number equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c. And now factorize and solve. Understanding? Very easy. Any doubt, then you can ask me. I will solve next time. But I want you to try. तुम्हाला जमलं पाहिजे. One more. Okay. And in this, see, product is negative. It means, and this is so one will be positive answer, one negative answer. Getting one positive. So of course, natural number. So negative answer automatically invalid. Positive answer you have to take, that will be your x. And next number is x plus 2, just adding 2. So if one number is suppose 14, next number is 16. Answer 14 and 16, you have to write. Understanding? Check. If you go wrong, try again. Where you went wrong, you should find out your mistake. That is very important. And still if you have problem, I am there. Okay. 4. Vivek older than Kishore by 5 years. Understanding? If Kishore is X, Vivek is X plus 5. Okay. Sum of reciprocal. 5 reciprocal 1 upon 5. 10 reciprocal 1 upon 10. So X reciprocal is 1 upon X. X plus 5 reciprocal is 1 upon X plus 5. And its sum. Find their percentages. Once we get X, Kishore says be X. Vivek X plus 5 older. Condition. Sum of reciprocal 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 5 is 1 upon 6. We have to cross multiply. X plus 5 plus X upon X into X plus 5. X square plus 5x equal to 1 upon 6. Now cross multiply. Make proper quadratic. 8 sum hai. So any negative answer will go invalid. Positive answer will be your X. And plus 5 will be your answer Y. Means you have to write proper answer. Kishore says that H. And Vivek says adding 5. Getting? Solve. Do. Okay? And write in the comment box what was difficult. I will solve next time. Okay? We'll go ahead. Okay. See, sum number 3. I am changing the sequence, makes no difference. Okay. After a second I did 4th. Okay. I am just explaining you, helping you to solve. I am helping you to frame the question. And solving you have to do 2-3 methods you know. Factorization, completing square, formula method, surely you should know. That is a sure answer, sure shot. If you don't get factors, okay? Take it. And still if you find difficult, you write in the comment box something. Okay, I will solve. Okay, see. Orange garden, there are 150 trees. This is a flowchart type sum. Number of trees in each row is 5 more than each column. Okay, so these were the columns and rows. You understand? Okay, so just like trees are planted in one rows, one column wise, rectangular grow it is. Like for PT you stand, understanding? 20 rows, 25 columns, so 500 students, 20 into 25. Right? Okay. So similar, the flow chart. Let number of trees in each column be X. Rows 5 more. So if X is 20, that is 25. So X plus 5. Total number of trees 150. So rows into column will be total number of trees, right? So X into X plus 5 is 150. Make proper quadratic equation. X into X square. X into 5, 5x. 150 shifting this side become negative. X square plus 5x minus 150 equal to 0. So find X. Of course, product is negative. So you will get one positive answer, one negative answer. Right? Negative answer invalid. It cannot be number of trees. Discard negative answer. Write reason also why you discard negative answer. And positive answer will be number of trees in each column X. Getting? And just add 5 to that, number of trees in each row. Understood? Simple? Any doubt? Let me know before your school starts. Okay, 9-7. Yes? Changing sequence makes no difference. You know, so division of polynomials you have done. Okay. So dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. You know this formula. So say based on same formula. If 460 is divided by natural number, any natural number, let it be X. Quotient Q is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. So if number is X, then it is 5 times 6 more. 5x plus 6 quotient. And the remainder is 1, clearly given. So divisor be X, quotient 5x plus 6, remainder is 1. Dividend is quotient into divisor plus remainder. 460 dividend. Quotient 5x plus 6, divisor x plus 1. Make it proper quadratic. 5x into x, 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460. 5x square plus 6x minus 459 equal to 0. Yeah, factors difficult to find. Find out that. 5 into 459 and two numbers. Find such their addition is 5 into 459 is 2295. Okay. Minus 2295. You have to find two numbers. If you add them, you get plus 6. Okay, and negative of course invalid because natural number. Positive answer is valid. That will be your divisor x, and just multiply by 5, add 6. That will be your quotient answer. Understanding? I think numbers are some 45, 51 plus 51 minus 45. Okay. Understood? You try. I want you to try. Ready-made, nothing you can achieve. Work hard. Practice again and again, same sum. Doubt, ask me. Then only you can score 90% and above. Okay, we'll go ahead. Okay. See, sum number 5 I am doing. Suyash. Suyash scored 10 marks more in the second test than in the first. Suppose in the first test he scores 50, second test 10 more, 60. So if first test x, second test x plus 10, right? 10 marks more. Second condition, 5 times score in the second test. So 5 into x plus 10 is same as square in the first test. Square, x square equal to 5 into x plus 10. Simple sum hai. Let first test x, second test x plus 10. Okay, so x square, second condition, 5 into second test x plus 10, x square minus 5x plus x square equal to 5x plus 50. Shifting this side, x square minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. And the factors are very simple. I am not going to tell. Two numbers, multiply minus 50, add minus 5. And you should, very easy numbers, you should know that. Negative, of course, discard. Because number of pots, number of marks cannot be negative. Okay? Marks cannot be negative. So only positive answer you have to write. Let first score in the first test x only. So x is your positive answer, valid. Okay? Second sum, 6. I am just explaining you the sum, you have to do it. Kasam's business of earthen pots. Matka, mat. Number of pots. Let he produces x pots per day. And production cost 10 times number of pots per day plus 40. 10x plus 40 per pot. So total production cost is x into 10x plus 40. X pots he make. X into 10x plus 40. 10x square plus 40x. And this total production cost per day is given as 600. I am multiplying, dividing by 10 each number. So x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0 is a quadratic. Solving. You solve without watching, without saying. Just very simple sum. And very easy factors. Product minus 60, sum plus 4. Very easy. Same, the number of pots cannot be negative. Negative answer, discard. Okay, and only x positive answer. Number of pots x and production cost per day into 10 plus 40. Two answers you have to be right. Getting? Understood? Simple? We'll go ahead. Any doubt? If you don't get right, then I will solve. First I want you to solve. Okay? We'll go ahead. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream. Okay, this is 7 sum and return 36 km downstream and again upstream. Because river flow, one direction is downstream, one direction is upstream. Okay, you have to travel downstream, you go fast because you go along with speed of water. Upstream you go slow. because water and your speed oppose each other. Getting, so relative speed decreases. Okay, you have to find the speed of water current. Speed of boat in still water is 12. So in upstream, let speed of water current be x. So upstream it becomes 12 minus x kilometer per hour, and downstream it increases to 12 plus x kilometer per hour. Understanding? Okay. Now total time 8 hours hai. So downstream time plus upstream time. Time I am taking as distance upon speed. Distance 36 kilometers same hai. Upon speed, downstream speed is 12 plus x, because water gets added. Boat goes fast. Plus 36 upon 12 minus x equal to 8. 36 common I am pushing, sending down. So 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is 8 upon 36. Right? Okay. 8 upon 36 I am cancelling as 2 upon 9. Now just cross multiply. 12 minus x plus 12 plus x upon a plus b, a minus b, x square minus b square. 12 square minus x square equal to 2 upon 9. Plus x minus x cut. 24 upon 144 minus x square equal to 2 upon 9. 2 ones are 2, 12 are 24 I am cutting. Cross multiply. 144 minus x square equal to 108. Shifting this side, x square equal to 36. X equal to plus minus 6. Now negative speed is invalid because this is max. Okay. Answer. So speed of river current plus 6 km per hour. Getting? So if speed of boat is 6 km, then it won't flow only. Yeah, downstream it will flow, but upstream it cannot. Speed of boat is greater than the speed of current. That's why it can travel upstream as well as downstream. Okay? Understood? Any doubt you ask me. Okay? If you find difficulty in understanding, I can explain you in Marathi also. You tell me. We'll go ahead to the next one. Okay. Okay. Work you understand. If you are given some work, in one day you do reciprocal of that. Suppose you are given 4 days work. In one day you will complete 1 upon 4, right? In 2 days you complete half. 3 days 3 upon 4, and 4 days complete work. Okay. So similarly, you require x days to finish particular work. Per day work is 1 upon x. Understand, this is very important in work day sum. Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu to do some work. Some work is given to both Nishu and Pintu. Nishu is very fast, does in few days, whatever 10 days. Pintu takes 6 more days, very slow person. 10 plus 6, 16 days, suppose. Together they finish in 4 days at a time, if they both work together. Okay. So how many days they take alone? So let Nishu take x days, Pintu more, x plus 6, right? If Nishu take x days, per day work is 1 upon x. Pintu's per day work 1 upon x plus 6. And total 4 day work, 1 day work is 1 upon 4. Now just simply solve. X plus 6 plus x upon x square plus 6x equal to 1 upon 4. X plus x 2x plus 6 cross 4 in bracket 2x plus 6, 8x plus 24 equal to x square plus 6x. Make proper quadratic. 8x shifting that side become minus 8x. X square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24. X square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Again negative product. So one negative answer, one positive answer. Negative answer will discard, positive answer valid. Okay. So positive, and that will be days of Nishu. Getting? Other negative discarding. Pintu just add 6 to them. You will get the days of Pintu to complete the work. Right? Fully statement. Okay. Let's go ahead with next sum. Okay. This is fill in the blank type sum. Okay. See, you have to fill the boxes. See, last sum of exercise 2.6. Figure is given, trapezium ABCD. This is isosceles trapezium, AD equal to BC. right? And the sides are given in terms of x. AB is x, BC is x minus 2, this is AM is x minus 4 height, and DC is 2x plus 1. AB is parallel to DC. Getting? Okay. You have to find all the lengths. Area is given as 33 centimeter square. Area is trapezium half sum of parallel side into height. Right? Okay. So you have to fill, this is a fill in the blank blank. Okay. You just fill the boxes. I am helping you to solve. Okay. Some extra steps are there, but you arrange as per necessity. Area of quadrilateral ABCD means trapezium. Half sum of parallel side, that is AB plus DC, into height, that is AM. Okay. So okay. So 33 equal to half. Area given 33. Half AB plus DC. AB is x plus 2x plus 1. So x plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 2x is 3x. 1 is 1. And height AM. AM is height. Half sum of parallel side into height is x minus 4. So 3x plus 1 is this 2. I am shifting this side. 33 into 2. Ups. So it is 66. Now this is bracket to bracket multiplication. 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into minus 4, minus 12x. Plus 1 into x, plus x. Minus 12 plus 1, minus 11x. Now 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 66. Shifting that side, become minus 66. Minus 4 minus 66 is minus 70. This is a quadratic equation. 3 into minus 70 is minus 210. Okay. Factorize. You factorize. Minus 210. So factors addition sum should be minus 11. 21 and 10. Minus 21 plus 10. If you add them, minus 11, right? If you multiply minus 210, minus 21 tens are, okay? First to take 3x common, x minus 7, plus 10 in bracket x minus 7. So both brackets are correct, so our factors are correct. So 3x plus 10, x minus 7 equal to 0. So 3x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 10, x equal to minus 10 upon 3 is invalid. We have to discard. Length cannot be negative. Okay? Simple. X is equal to, x minus 7 equal to 0, so x equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Now we have to fill up the values. AB is x. 7. Answer. AB equal to 7 centimeter. Because area is centimeter square. Okay? See, BC. BC equal to AD, isosceles trapezium. X minus 2, that is 7 minus 2, 5 centimeter. Right? Okay. Say 7 minus 2, 5. Okay? See. DC is 2x plus 1, 2 into 7 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15 centimeter. And we got the answer. Fill in the blank. Okay? Understood? If you still finding difficult, okay, you need extra practice with basics clearing. Okay? You please, I have provided my contact number. You can join my online class, private 1-to-1. Okay, if you want to score more. Okay? So keep on practicing. If you like, give like. Use fingers here. Share. Subscribe. Press the bell icon. Okay. Ganti daba, ganti. Subscribe the button dabu. Manje, you will get the next notification. Okay. If any problem with language, you can tell me. Explain this in Marathi or Hindi. I am ready to do that. Okay. मराठीतही मी समजावून सांगू शकतो, हिंदीतही समजावून सांगू शकतो. हिंदी में भी also. Okay? I can teach you even in हिंदी. हिंदी में भी मैं पढ़ा सकता हूँ. अगर समझने में प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई दिक्कत हो तो जरूर बोल देना कमेंट में. Okay? So see you in the next video. Bye.